Let me tell you a story about two regular guys who cracked the perfect code to make money online and become a millionaire: Jason Kelawari and Donathan Gamble. Both of them started from nothing. No tech skills, no big budgets, no fancy degrees. They only worked on this system in their free time. Yet today, they're building tiny websites that rake in tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. How did they do it? That's what we're breaking down today. You'll learn their exact 5-step system and see how they transformed their lives, and how you can do it too. Let's get into it. Jason and Donathan weren't born entrepreneurs. Jason was your typical hardworking social worker who spent his days helping others. But when an accident forced him out of work, he quickly realized just how fragile his financial situation was. Credit card bills piled up, rent was overdue, and he felt sinking. Donathan's story wasn't much easier. He grew up in a family that went through bankruptcy, which shaped his whole perspective on money. From a young age, he hustled to help his mom and vowed to find a way to build wealth that didn't rely on risky gambles or traditional jobs. Both tried the hot online business trends, dropshipping, Amazon stores, SEO client work, but they were chasing their tails. Paid ads burned through their savings faster than they could replenish them, and trying to manage clients felt like another soul-sucking 9-to-5 job. Their breakthrough came when they crossed paths at an SEO agency. Here, they discovered something most people overlook: free buyer intent traffic. Instead of relying on expensive ads, they realized that they could create simple websites that rank on Google and attract people ready to buy. At first, it sounded too good to be true. But they tested the system, tweaked it, and scaled it. Today, they own multiple websites generating consistent income. One of them, in the auto parts niche, makes over $800,000 a month. Another, in alternative coffee, nets $22,500 every month, all without spending a single dollar on ads. And here's the kicker: they've taught this system to others. Their students like Vernon and Ashley are using these same 5 steps to earn tens of thousands in passive income every month. Now, let me show you exactly how they did it. Step 1. Picking a hot niche. The first step in Jason and Donathan's system is picking the right niche. Not all niches are created equal, and this is where many people fail. They chase trends, pick something they kind of like, or worse, go for markets that are too broad and competitive. Jason and Donathan, on the other hand, focused on evergreen niches, industries that are always in demand no matter what's happening in the economy. Think about it. People will always care about their pets, health, and making money. These niches are what they call foolproof. The audiences are passionate, they spend money, and they're actively searching for solutions. Their top recommendations include parenting, fitness, pets, investing, and even auto parts. And they don't just pull these out of thin air. For example, Vernon, one of their students, found a gold mine in the alternative coffee niche. He targeted people who love coffee but can't handle caffeine. His site now brings in $750 a day in commissions. That's $22,500 a month from just one niche. But how do you pick your niche? Here's an easy tip. Start with something you already know or care about. If you're obsessed with dogs, the pet niche is a no-brainer. If you're into fitness, think about supplements or workout gear. The key is to find a specific angle within the niche. Don't just target fitness. That's too broad. Instead, go for home gym equipment or keto diet for beginners. The more focused you are, the easier it is to stand out. And don't worry if you don't have a passion that jumps out at you. Jason and Donathan say it's better to pick something profitable than something you're obsessed with. After all, it's easier to get excited about a niche when you're seeing the dollars roll in. Once you've locked in your niche, you've set the foundation for everything else. And trust me, this is just the beginning. The next step is all about attracting the right kind of traffic. The kind of visitors who don't just browse, they buy. Step 2. Attracting buyer traffic. So, you've picked your niche. Awesome. But now comes the crucial part, getting the right people to visit your website. And here's where most people mess up. They focus on the wrong kind of traffic. Jason and Donathan learned early on that not all website visitors are created equal. Let me explain. There are 3 main types of traffic on Google. First, you've got passive interest traffic. These are people browsing for news, memes, or random facts. They're not here to buy anything. Then there's active interest traffic. These are people researching how to solve a problem, like how to train my puppy. This group is more valuable, but still not ideal. Finally, there's the gold mine, buyer intent traffic. These are people searching for specific products with the intention of purchasing. Think about keywords like best wrinkle cream or top-rated laptop under $1,000. When someone lands on your site after searching these terms, they're already in a buying mindset. That's the kind of traffic you want. Jason and Donathan focus exclusively on buyer intent traffic. Why? Because it converts like crazy. For example, one of their students built a site around the keyword best hydrogen water bottle, which gets 15,500 searches a month. If their site captures just 20% of that traffic and converts 10% of those visitors, they're looking at 250 sales a month. At $30 commission per sale, that's $7,500 in passive income, just from one keyword. So, how do you find these high-value keywords? It's simpler than you think. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to look for phrases that include words like best, buy, or top-rated. And don't forget to check the search volume. You want keywords that get consistent traffic every month. This step is what turns a website into a money-making machine. Once you've locked in your buyer keywords, you can build a website that converts these visitors into cold, hard cash. Step 3. Building a website. Here's the good news. Building a website is easier than ever. You don't need coding skills, a graphic design degree, or a big budget. Thanks to pre-designed templates, you can have a professional-looking site up and running in just a few hours. And the cost? Less than a tank of gas. But here's the thing. Having a site isn't enough. You need content that turns visitors into buyers. This is where most people throw in the towel, thinking content creation is time-consuming, expensive, or both. But Jason and Donathan have a secret weapon: AI tools. These tools can generate high-quality, buyer-focused articles in minutes. No need to hire writers or spend hours staring at a blank screen. For example, let's say your site targets the keyword best hydrogen water bottle. With AI, you can create a detailed article comparing the top products in that niche, complete with pros, cons, and buying recommendations. The best part? This content is optimized to rank on Google, so it works double duty, attracting traffic and converting it into income. And don't worry about churning out hundreds of articles. Jason and Donathan focus on quality, not quantity. Just 5 to 10 well-written pieces of content can bring in consistent traffic and income. So, with your niche chosen, your buyer keywords ready, and your website built, you're now equipped with a platform that can bring in visitors. Next, we'll talk about how to drive even more traffic to your site with a little-known but powerful strategy: backlinks. But before we continue, if you're learning something valuable so far, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more videos. It helps the channel a lot in bringing you more money-making tips. Also, click the link in the bio to learn how ordinary people build online businesses from $0 to $1 million. Thanks. And let's continue. Step 4. Driving traffic with backlinks. Let's talk about backlinks, one of the system's most overlooked yet critical parts. Think of backlinks as digital votes of confidence. When other websites link to yours, Google sees it as a signal that your site is trustworthy and worth ranking higher. Jason and Donathan use a straightforward approach to building backlinks. Instead of paying for them, which can get expensive, they focus on creating high-quality content that other sites want to link to. They also publish articles on platforms like Medium, which drive traffic directly and help boost rankings. Here's an example of how this works. Imagine you're targeting the keyword best wrinkle cream. If the top-ranking competitor for that term has 10 backlinks, you only need to create 12 high-quality backlinks to outrank them. But always remember that it's not just about volume, it's also about strategic placement. Knowing where to place the backlinks is also important because it gives viewers easy access to your website and, thus, more traffic. Another tip? Don't rush it. Building backlinks is a slow and steady process. Aim for 2 to 3 quality backlinks a week. It's enough to keep Google happy without triggering any penalties for spammy behavior. By combining targeted keywords, compelling content, and a solid backlink strategy, Jason and Donathan have consistently ranked their sites on Google's first page. And once your site starts climbing those rankings, the traffic and income follows. Step 5. Monetizing your website. Now comes the fun part, turning all that traffic into income. This is where Jason and Donathan's system truly shines, as it offers 4 low-maintenance and highly profitable ways to monetize your site. Let's break it down. Affiliate marketing. The bread and butter of this system is affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You include links in your articles that point to products or services. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple, right? What makes it even better is that the commissions can add up fast when you're targeting buyer intent keywords. For example, let's say your site features an article comparing the best hydrogen water bottles. You recommend a few products, each linked through your affiliate program. Every time someone reads your article, clicks your link, and buys one of those bottles, you earn a commission. If the average commission is $30 per sale and you're making just 20 sales a day, that's $600 daily, or $18,000 a month from one article. Brand advertising. Once your site attracts significant traffic, brands will want a piece of the action. This is where banner ads come in. Companies pay you to display their ads on your site, and the rates depend on your traffic. Jason and Donathan have sites where brands pay $10,000 monthly to run ads. Think about that. One banner ad can bring in more income than most people's full-time jobs. For instance, if you're in the pet niche, a company like Purina might pay you to feature their ads on your site. And here's the beauty. You don't have to do anything except approve the ads. The brand handles the design, setup, and tracking, while you sit back and watch the revenue roll in. Co-registration deals. Co-registration is a lesser-known but incredibly lucrative strategy. Here's how it works. When someone signs up for a free resource on your site, like a report or guide, they're presented with additional offers from other companies. You get paid for every person who opts into those offers. It's a win-win. You're helping your audience get more resources while earning passive income for every lead. For example, if your site gets 10,000 visitors a month and 20% of them sign up for your free report, that's 2,000 new leads. If just half of them opt into additional offers and you're earning $1 per lead, that's an extra $1,000 a month in completely passive income. Depending on the offer, some leads can even pay $3-5 each, making this strategy incredibly scalable. Selling your website. Here's one more bonus. Remember that your site isn't just an income stream. It's a sellable asset. Websites typically sell for 3 to 5 times their yearly revenue. So if your site makes $120,000 a year, you could sell it for $500,000 or more. Jason and Donathan have sold multiple sites for massive payouts, and they always recommend building sites with this potential in mind. It's like having a retirement fund that pays you while you grow it. By combining these methods, you're not just relying on one income stream but diversifying your earnings. And the best part? Once everything is set up, these streams run on autopilot, giving you the time and freedom to focus on what matters most. With monetization in place, your website becomes a true passive income machine. Plus, when you earn money, you can reinvest it to build new websites and earn even more. And that brings us to the end of Jason and Donathan's 5-step system. Also, click the link in the bio to learn how ordinary people build online businesses from $0 to $1 million. So, there you have it. The exact 5-step system Jason and Donathan used to transform their lives with tiny websites that generate tens of thousands of dollars every month. They started with nothing, built their first site with less than $2,000, and scaled it to a $1 million empire. This system works for anyone willing to put in the time and follow the steps. Now, before you go, I want to hear from you. What niche would you choose for your first website? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video inspired you or gave you something valuable to think about, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps the channel grow and gives you more financial freedom strategies. Remember, success doesn't come to those who wait, it comes to those who take action. So why not start today?